People tell me I talk too much, so today it's just a free ride. A solo free ride, minimal talking. Enjoy. It's going to be rough sidewalks for a few minutes until we get onto the side street, and then we're cutting over. I would go up on the sidewalk, but it looks a little crowded. Gonna take this left right here. That'll get us out of the main road and into where we want to go. It's a beautiful Saturday afternoon here today in Basking Ridge. A little hot out. In fact, I would go so far as to say it's oppressively hot out. But nothing a little artificial breeze can't cure. See what happens when you're not paying attention. The minute I got outside and got on my scooter, it started thundering. Like literally the minute. I say we try it. Looks like they're getting ready to set up for plays in the park. Cool. Whoa. Muddy trail. I can't wait to get out here on the Highboy Titan. Just tear all this off-road stuff apart. No games going on today, so what are we doing hanging out in our cars up here? People smoking the herb. I'm serious when I say that I cannot win with this weather. Every time for the last 2 weeks I've planned to get on this scooter, all of a sudden the skies open up and it's pouring rain and thunder and lightning. It was a beautiful, sunny, sunshiny day when I got on this scooter outside. No sooner did I leave the house than the thunder started. I just felt a drop. It's time to head for home. Question is, can we get at least a little bit more of these trails in before we have to head for the barn? The thunder did one thing for us. It definitely chased everybody else away. I got these trails to myself now, which on a Saturday afternoon in the summer, no way, this place would be packed with joggers and walkers. I know that would get me where I want to go faster. It looks a little wet and soggy. Yep, that is. I have every reason to believe that within just a matter of minutes, it is going to be downpouring, folks. I don't want to be caught out here with the scooter and the cameras in the middle of a downpour. Come on, baby, make it, make it, make it, make it, make it. No. She will not. That's okay. That shortcut saved us a few minutes. This will take us back out to that stride street we were on before, Lurline. Yeah, we just passed right through here, but I wasn't gonna be able to make the turn. It was too sharp. That was a big bump. Just check to make sure we got the back GoPro. Yep, she's still with us. And this will be the end of it here. What a bummer. Hardly got any time out here to ride whatsoever. What a bummer. But hopefully got some decent shots for you to enjoy nature on this lovely, about to piss down rain Saturday afternoon. Hey, watch it, chipmunk. So I think we'll stick to the shoulder. Oh yeah, I'm starting to feel drops. This scooter is not waterproof. I don't know about these cameras. The Akaso claims to be waterproof up to 33 feet, but I don't know if I really want to put that to the test right at this particular moment. Here comes the downpour. All right, we're good. We made it. Hang on. Oh, This fucking guy with the Philadelphia Eagles trailer. Hang on, this is gonna get a little bumpy. Whew. Well, we made it. We beat the rain. Bummer that the trip got cut short, but I'm glad we got home before we got drenched. Make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and I'll see you next time. Peace!